Shout out to MIsty Jungle for sending this plant grow light to us to try out. It came in the mail today. This is the brand Multifunctional Plant Grow Light. So this is what they sent for us to try. And this is good because actually we're going to put it in that grow tent probably. But we're going to see. We're going to see how it works out. Let me open it up real quick. Let me open it all the way up. That scrubbing noise that y'all hear in the background, that's cleaning off of the cleaning the, what is that, the Blackstone? He's cleaning the Blackstone grill. So this is a black light, and it says full spectrum. It has a time and switch control, warm and white light switch. Time and switch control, you can set it for 3 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. But yeah, that's what it is. Let me get on in here and see. What is it? What is it? How it works? Right, so this is how it looks straight out of the box. This is the light, and it has like the little dimmers and all of that in it, on it. What is this? What is this? I guess this is like some tape or some adhesive that you could just sit on the back, put on the back of this if you, I guess if you wanted to stick it on something. And then we have some zip ties that came with it. We have some screws, all different types of screws, I guess if you wanted to mount it. Yeah, this is a mounting plate. Mounting plate. And then this is just the cord. Plug this into that. The plant grow light by MIsty Jungle. Okay, so basically what the instructions it said, it goes like this. So this is the base, and then you mount this on top of this, and then turn it on, and then the light will help your plants to grow. All right, y'all, so I have went ahead and set this up, and it was fairly easy. So I just put this mount down on the bottom, and then it came with a screw, and you just need, what are these called, like an Allen wrench, these little things right here? Allen key. Like an Allen key to tighten it up. So it was fairly easy to put together, and then we just gonna plug it up and see if it lights up. So here's the remote. Here we are. So it works, it lights up. Let's see. So you can set a timer if you wanted to for 3 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it goes from the white light to the warm yellow light. And then if you wanted to increase the intensity of it, so you just press that plus. So it's basically like a ring light for plants. So thank you once again, MIsty Jungle, for sending this. We're going to put it to use for sure.